We're applying the first coat of sealer as a flat coat. We use a lot of sealer and let the sealer penetrate into the sand all the way deep into the joint. This will harden and the sand will also get very hard. We're using the blower to move the excess sealer around, not to let it sit on top of the stones and create shiny spots, but moving the sealer around to further penetrate into the joints. We will go one more time, put the final coat and create a complete uniform coat of sealer on top of the stones. And we are applying the second and last coat. This will further seal the surface of the stones and also the sand, making it more uniformly finished. Some stones absorb different than others, and the first coat seals the stones, but the second coat fills up any voids that's left on some of the surface. This is a lighter coat, but still very heavy and uniform. We're still using the blower to make sure that the seal doesn't sit on the stones, because that could cause shiny spots and very hard to remove once the job is complete and the sealer starts to harden.